Okay, so today we're going to do a short video on how to brush a dog's teeth. I have Breezy, and she's my 3.5-year-old cattle dog mix, and she's quite used to having her teeth brushed, so she'll actually be a good patient for us to show how it's done, and also to give you a demonstration on how the best way to brush the teeth is. Brushing the teeth is one of the major best ways to prevent disease, gingivitis, and inflammation in the mouth. So brushing is recommended in the evening after you have had your pet eat and drink for the day and they're ready to go to bed. So I usually put my brush up right next to my dog's brush, so she's ready to go in the evening when I brush my own teeth. It's the two types of toothpaste that I really like. CET makes a good toothpaste. They come in multiple flavors. This one is malt flavor, and Breezy likes all of the flavors. This one is malt. She definitely likes the poultry. There's seafood and all kinds of different ones. So how we begin is really we want to have them like what we're doing. So first we're just going to give her a little sample of the toothpaste and see if she likes it. And because there are enzymes in this toothpaste, if they would just begin eating the toothpaste, that will be a good start. And that may be just day one, because sometimes they get suspicious of what you're doing, and so you may need to do different things on different days instead of overwhelming the patient. So that's the malt flavor. I'm now going to switch over and do beef flavor. And you may have to try different varieties of the types of toothpaste in order to see which one your cat or dog will like the best. This one is beef, and she also likes this flavor. So how I start is I'm just going to put a little bit of toothpaste on the brush, and I will then begin with one side. So we'll start on this side. We're just going to really go down the teeth with the brush, and whoops, sorry Breezy. And then we'll also kind of hold the brush back there and kind of let them chew a little on the brush. And this way they're kind of doing some of the action of the brushing themselves through the bristles. Okay? And then I will coat my brush again. And I'm going to come across the front teeth now. And I'm going to get the lowers as well. Now, Breezy had a full dentistry done about 7 months ago, so she still has a pretty good, quite a good showing for the dental prophy that we did on her. She's got a little bit of calculus building up, but not too bad. We're going to come down to these teeth. This buccal region right here is a very difficult area to brush. So I usually like to just get that brush back there and let them chew a little on it, so that helps that area. Then just make sure you tell her she did a really good job. Good job, good job. And then, and then the other thing that I will do is sometimes at night when I'm sitting with her on the couch, I'll just hold the brush and she can kind of chew on the brush, and I allow her to just kind of have some fun, take the brush, chew a little bit on it. I try not to get her to chew the plastic, but I do like her to have a little bit of chance to kind of chew on that brush. And that's really the best way to do it. The other things that you can do are sprays. I do have one here by Covetrus. It's an oral rinse. It's a red oral rinse. And if you're really not able to brush, one of the ways that you can try is with the rinses. So in this case, again, I kind of come over the top of their head. In this case, I'm just going to lift the gums and I'm going to squirt. Okay, and I'm going to tell her she did really good. And then I'm going to turn her this way and I'm going to squirt that again. And that will just be sitting on the teeth overnight as well. And so you'll just have to get used to seeing whether your animal, your cat or dog, is more amenable to brushing. There's also a lot of other options which we discussed last time on our webinar for you guys. But I hope that this was helpful. We'll also be doing a cat video on a kitty cat that has not had her teeth brushed before. Thank you so much for your time. Thank you for supporting BirchBark Foundation, and go out there and brush your animal's teeth.